Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by proving who you are. This speeds recovery. First, use a device and location you usually sign in from, because Google checks context. Once done, open the account recovery page and enter the email. Provide the last password you remember. If asked, use the recovery phone or alternate email. Google will send a code. Keep recovery codes and the device PIN handy. They often resolve verification faster than answering obscure questions. Now focus on the detailed prompts. Accuracy is critical. Put in every password variant you remember, including old ones with months or year numbers. Google uses pattern matching. Make sure you're on a familiar Wi-Fi or cellular network. The system flags new IPs. When asked about when you created the account or frequent contacts, estimate but be as specific as possible. If prompted for code, retrieve it from the recovery device immediately. Delays can invalidate the attempt. You're at the final stage. Reset and lock things down. After successful verification, choose a unique, strong password and store it in a manager so you won't lose it again. Then enable two-step verification and add at least 2 backup methods like a secondary phone and printed recovery codes. If the attempt fails, don't panic. Wait 48 to 72 hours before trying again and retry from the same device and location. Troubleshooting tip: if stuck, check that time and date settings on your device are correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.